Okay, so this one now is asking this one out.
Yes. That one.
And now she's in Shakara.
That's what they do.
Today on BattaBox.com, we're going to have a pig farm tour. I know. She's going to be teaching us how she rears them, how they give birth. She's going to tell us what they feed on, how they feed, how much she makes. You really want to see this.
My name is Esther Akintomade. I work with Teenage Farms and we're into pig production.
Okay, now let's go inside. What the real action is. I hope you're ready to see them. Yes, because I am ready. Let's go.
Thank you. Please remember biosecurity.
Okay, this one now is biosecurity. So we have to dip our leg into it. Do you eat pork meat?
Yes, I do.
Why? Don't like it.
Yes, I used to eat it.
I eat but may not as regular as that.
I don't eat.
Why?
I don't like it.
This is a palm kernel cake.
Palm kernel cake.
Yes, it's part of what we use for compounding their feed. So we have a component for feeding them. This is one of the components, and this is palm kernel cake.
You mix?
Yes, we mix. You know, we mix corn, bread, and other such of component together, which becomes compounded. Okay, so that is it.
So this is what it is basically.
This is what they eat basically.
Alright. How often do they eat?
They eat every day, and they eat twice a day.
Twice a day.
Yes. Well, these are gilts mixed with some castrates.
Okay, which one is guilt? Which one is?
Okay. The one we have, this is a gilt.
Okay.
That is a gilt. The others are castrates.
Yeah, this is where we have the papas.
Yeah, those are the boas. Ah, boas.
Wow.
Yeah, those are the boas. Bam. Busy.
That's really huge.
Oh. These are all e-pigs. E-pigs are the pregnant pigs.
They are really heavy.
Yeah, you can see that the vulva is coming out, so I should be preparing to separate this one. Well,
How often do they give birth?
Twice a year.
Twice a year.
And depends on your planning.
So you even have to plan for the pigs.
You have to plan for your business.
What is it in there?
Well, you know, pigs wallow a lot. They wallow. Yeah.
Wow.
Pigs wallow. It's cute, isn't it?
She is really cute. So, you know, my gosh.
Well,
Let's go to the range.
between 4 and 500, you know, it depends.
4 and 500,000.
It depends.
It depends. Okay, now I really want to do this job. I don't mind.
It depends.
Wow. This is really nice. But they're not wild.
No, they're not. Hello, are you white? White? Hey!
No way. Do you get attached to any of them, any particular one? Really
I've had that kind of situation before, but most time I tell myself we're doing business. When it's time to go, let it go. You know? But most times, once an animal is doing well, you know, you can decide to keep them, to keep producing for you. You know. You see? Yes, it's bristly. You know, the hair can also be used to make brush.
Aha!
Can you see?
Yeah. You should have like a brush making factory.
Pork meat is dirty.
It's dirty.
Yes, and apart from that, it causes a lot of worm infections.
Pork meat is a very dirty animal.
Wow.
And it's too
Anything that contains oil too much, I don't like it.
How do you control the odor?
Well, like I told you, there is no odor. But then we clean. We clean regularly. Like we bath them every day. Are they dirty? Okay, so we wash them every day, and then of course we clean their room twice a day.
Where are they going to?
Just hold on. Don't worry, just relax.
Where is the other one?
Close it up.
How do you like your pork meat?
Well, stewed in pepper, like pepper soup kind of, or stewed.
I like it fried.
Fried.
Yeah.
Do you,
Fried one.
you like the fried one?
Yes. Maybe fried, but anyhow.
Anyhow,
It's okay, yeah.
you shall like pork meat.
Yeah.
And this is what the end product of pork looks like. How much are these one?
20 naira.
Give me 20 naira. Give me this one. Looks interesting, Shebi. Why are you looking at me like that now? I know you want to eat, but don't worry. I'll eat and I'll tell you I'll eat this time. A1. Tell her this rando. BattaBox.com.